So, September 15th, 2024, exactly 5 months from the day that I spent 8 hours of my day doing a freebie for a friend. Besides these water spots, which I'm hoping that they come out, they seem to be more sap than anything, possibly water. She brought the car to me like at 10 o'clock last night. Uh-oh. And she'd washed it before she got here. It was a kind of a 10 o'clock wash. There were spots on the side. You can't see it without lights on it, but there's a couple spots that are like little dirt, but that's fine. At least it's cleanish, and then I can wash it the rest of the way. But since it was only done 5 months ago, the paint, I'm gonna clay it. I'm gonna do a wash clay seal on it. So I'm gonna wash it with P&S Absolute. I'm gonna use Bead Maker as my clay lube. Then about, 45 minutes later, once I'm done claying it, I'll take a little break, maybe take a shower, I don't know, and then come back out and Defender it all up. I'm not going to spray this with my pressure washer. I thought about it just to see what the water behavior looks like, because when I did this last, it was done with Dr. Beasley's 1201 poly, or 1201 ceramic. But it's a sheeter. You wouldn't be able to tell anyway. But I kind of feel like spraying with the pressure washer, but then I don't, just because I don't want to put everything together. So I'm just gonna do a little test section really quick. I'll see how this is gonna work. I'm gonna absolute this, then I'll do like just this section. But look at how shiny that is from when I originally got this. I'm gonna see if I can find the card. It was one of my longer videos, like, I don't know, 17, 18, 19 minutes long. But that's because the hour that I had to spend on the hood just to get the proper compound and polishing pad. Because again, it's a freebie. I do a one step. It would have been an easy two step, but I had to figure out how to make this thing shine and getting most of the defects out with one step. Figured it out. All right, let me get this absoluted and then Bead Maker clay. Let's see if these water spots come out. Spots are terrible. That's right after pre-spraying with Absolute, letting it dwell for probably a minute or two. Spraying Bead Maker on and running my clay bar or my clay towel over it. So, yeah. Oh my goodness. I don't know. It sucks. Honestly, I can't. All right, let me get a mineral deposit remover. Let me see if that'll take it off. Washed and clayed. Nothing. But I'm using some, I think I put Power Clean. Now I'm honestly not even sure. Crap. Yeah, I think I put Power Clean. Optimum's tar and Power Clean look really, really close when you've diluted your Power Clean. But I'm pretty sure this is Power Clean at 10 to 1. I'll let it sit here for 3 or 4 minutes. On both. On the side that I did, then the side that I'm doing. This had nothing on. Over here I might just put, you know what, I will. Over here I'm going to put some water spot remover. DIY's water spot remover. Even though I think this is sap. This is sap. I ain't using this. Alright. I might use it second, but I'm running out. This is it. I don't have any of this anymore. It's just like gonna tap me. Oop. Goodness gracious, where's my... Looks like I got to aim it up and shoot up it over the edge. There we go. Tar remover. But I don't have any more. This is it. I have none of this. And the entire top looks just as horrible as the freaking hood. Oh my God. All right, let me let this sit for a couple minutes longer now that I got this stuff on there. I'm going to use my scrubbers down there. If I have to polish the hood again, I'll polish the hood. I'll do it. The top, I ain't doing the top again. I'll clean it and protect it, but I ain't polishing it. This is the only part that anybody's going to see. And I think the sides are fine. I don't think the sides are sap covered because this does sit under a tree. All right, let me get this cleaned up and see how it turned out. Not looking so bad. Looking bad. That's just with the tar. Right, you can see the dots up underneath it. And so I'm going to put this easy job just turned into an extra hour to an hour and a half. I'm going to get this cleaned up, get this wiped off, and then the last thing I'm going to do is water spot. I'll do water spot remover on all of it, and I'll see. This will have 3 steps on it. This will have 2 steps on it. This will have 2 steps, but they were 3 steps. All right, let me get back at it. So, washed, clay barred, look like crap. Oh my, I already forgot. Power clean, washed, clay barred, look like crap. Power clean, look like crap. Power clean alone, look like crap. Tar, look, the tire, it's rubber adhesive type remover. Look like crap. Power clean, look like crap. Water spot remover, wiped in. I'm still just kind of, I let that sit for a minute or two, then I sprayed some Absolute on top of it. Now I'm going to wipe this off, and I think it's still going to look like crap just based on what I saw over here. All right. I mean, it's no biggie. I have after yesterday's deal in my previous video, I got 1 clean pad left. 1 clean pad is going to be enough. And I still got my polisher over there. But I'm so scared to touch this paint, because as soon as I do, I'm afraid I'm going to mar it up. And I don't think I can use a spongy black pad to take these out. I think I'm going to have to go with the orange. I might just go with the orange and then the black on top of it, or right after. So, all right, let me wipe this down, but I'm pretty sure I'm still going to see spots. That's what you see when you dry the car. Well, looks like Michael's whipping out his waffle pad and his Z1. Just bead maker and defender it up. I have no problem with that. This is going to be just the hood. I ain't doing the top. Just the hood. Hood's going to get it alone. That's way better than it was. But those ain't coming out. All right, let me put a polisher to paint like I told her I wasn't. I don't like polishing over spots, but I mean, if you did what you could to get them out, and tree sap, sap remover, tar remover, whatever you want to call it, adhesive remover, and water spot remover, and scrubbed it, and rinsed it well, and power clean, a nice all-purpose cleaner, and they still don't come out, I'm pretty sure they've been cleaned well enough that a polish is going to work. And I did 5 passes on this. You probably saw a little bit of the clip. And this is kind of funny. I mean, I actually just made this paint better than what it was when it got to me, or when I let it go the last time. Like I said, I could do a 2-step and clean this paint up if I wanted to. But I didn't do a 2-step on purpose. But holy crap, this paint cleared up. Okay, this is also part me. It's just got goop. But so the hood's gonna look nice. The top isn't. This didn't take long. It's about 3 or 4 passes. Z1 and the Z1 once again. Get it over here. Some of my favorite one-stepper right here. Leaves behind nano ceramic, or leaves behind ceramic nano coating. Plus, you don't have to panel wipe. So once I've done this, the hood's going to be done. Then I got to do the wash and clay the rest of the car, and I can go straight to coating. So this is going to get coated again. Yeah, I can't leave it like that. So again, yeah, that's just all my smudge. It comes off. All right, well, it is going to take a polish. No biggie. It's even more shiny this time. All right, well, let me get at it again. Taking forever. All right, you'll kind of just notice, like before when I was wiping stuff off, you can see the spots left behind. I'm not thinking I'm going to have any spots left behind, and if there are, those spots get left behind. The rag company, forget the name of it. Oh yeah, 1500. It's the 1500. I also have a DIY drying blanket, which I like as well, but I like this one. I've got some liquidators. I got that pluffle over there. Well, that's the rag company pluffle, or if that was like a optimum like plush towel. I think that might have been a. Oh my goodness, look at how clean this paint is. Oh my God. This turned out way better than I expected. Like, this is like on par with my BMW over there as far as the clarity of this paint. And my lights are a harsh critic. I mean, literally, wowza. Freaking wowza. And in the top. That's hilarious. All right. I don't think the rest of the car is going to be as eventful. Let me get finishing just washing and claying, starting with that stupid roof. All right. Yeah, this is going to, I'm almost at what time is it? I mean, that I started at like 7-ish, 6:37. It's 8 o'clock. All right. Well, hope that'll be done by 9. Out. Am I recording? I don't know. I think I'm recording. All right. So like I said, I didn't put any water on the car to see if the water, the phobics of the car off. It looks fine. I'm not even using my camera this time. I'm using my glasses. Yeah, I can see the light now. So, yeah, the phobics are fine. It's rejecting just like it should. And that was, 5 months ago. So if I had to spray it off, this would have been great. So I'm just going to clean it like this, put bead maker on it, clay it with bead maker, and then like 45 minutes later, put some, dog it, some Defender on there. Yeah, this has worked out well. 5 months old, still looking strong. Oh, except for the sap stuff on the front. Not only was this 1201, the easy, super duper easy to apply ceramic back, it was also Bead Hero. Once again, also from, getting attacked by my fan, also from Dr. Beasley. So it was a 1201 and Bead Hero. So, yeah. So the top was scrubbed with my scrubber, like a bug scrubber, not too hard. But I put some power clean up there, about, I don't know, 7, 8 to 1 or so. Let it sit for about 3 or 4 minutes. Dipped my scrubber in some rinseless, and then I scrubbed it. Did both sides. Then I rinsed that off and toweled it. Then Just went ahead and rinseless washed it, and then I bead maker and clayed it. I did the whole roof all at once, just to be both sides. Then I did the sides, same way, except no power clean. You can kind of see where just gets scratched up a little bit, but I ain't worried about it because I wasn't even supposed to polish this car. And you can see like right here, them are the same water spots or sap that was on the front. I'm not getting them off. I wasn't even supposed to be polishing, but the hood turned out fantastic. This is after bead maker, FYI. So this was polished up here with Z1, which has ceramic, bead makered once, and in about at 9:30 or so, maybe 9:45, I'm gonna throw some Defender over the whole car. But it's turned out fantastic. It's definitely glowing again. I bead maker the windows, and I will Defender the windows and the windshield. But yeah, this black when it's pretty and shiny, which this is, and then you throw bead maker on this, 4, 5, 6, 8 hours from now, bead maker is gonna make this thing pop. I love bead maker. No dusting problems for me unless it's dusty, and then it'll be Defendered up, so it'll be Defender on top of it. But yeah, cleaned up, beautiful. I mean, I knew it would. Well, that's that. I won't even take a picture of or any video of after the Defender. It's gonna look this pretty. I doubt I get a sun shot. I mean, I might. Once I put Defender on it, I can get it outside, and the sun's about to come up out there, up over the tree. So all it's going to be is a super duper shiny black car. So, which super duper shiny black cars are always beautiful. Well, that's that. If I don't take it out in the sun, that'll be that. Thanks for watching me rehashing my Nemesis, which was only a Nemesis because I one-stepped it, but now that it's been two-step, you can see what two steps do. All right, well, that's that. I'm babbling. See ya. Thanks for watching.